Consuming lemon with olive oil has been promoted as a health practice, particularly as part of certain detox or cleansing routines. Here are some potential benefits often associated with consuming lemon with olive oil. 1. Digestive aid. Lemon juice may help stimulate the production of bile in the liver, which aids in the digestion of fats. Olive oil is also known to have a mild laxative effect and can help lubricate the digestive system. 2. Antioxidant properties. Both lemon and olive oil contain antioxidants that can help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall health. 3. Vitamin C boost. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system and skin health. Consuming lemon juice can be a simple way to increase your vitamin C intake. 4. Hydration. Lemon juice mixed with water can make for a more flavorful drink, encouraging people to drink more water and stay hydrated, which is crucial for overall well-being. 5. Weight management. Some proponents claim that consuming lemon and olive oil mixture on an empty stomach can aid in weight loss, but there is no solid scientific evidence to support this claim. 6. Detoxification. Lemon and olive oil concoctions are often promoted as detoxifiers, helping to flush toxins from the body. However, the body's natural detoxification processes primarily involve the liver, kidneys, and other organs, and the specific combination of lemon and olive oil for detox remains unsubstantiated. 7. Heart health. Olive oil is known for its heart-healthy monounsaturated fats, which can have a positive impact on cholesterol levels and overall cardiovascular health. Lemon juice may also support heart health due to its antioxidants. 1. Take half tablespoon of olive oil, half tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Steps to prepare. Take both fresh lemon juice and olive oil, and mix these ingredients properly. 2. Now consume this mixture just before breakfast. 3. You should consume this mixture twice or thrice a week for the best positive results. While both lemon and olive oil have individual health benefits, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before adopting any new health practices, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. A balanced and varied diet, rich in whole foods, remains the foundation of good health.